Good morning, dear children. We are going to learn the synonyms of the lesson, The House with the Golden Windows. We are going to learn the synonyms of the lesson, The House with the Golden Windows. All of you open page number 7 in your textbooks. All of you open page number 7 in your textbooks. Okay. At the top we can see synonyms. 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 Synonyms are words that have the same or nearly the same meaning as another word. Synonyms are words that have the same or nearly the same meaning as another word. For example, kind. Similar meaning to kind is thoughtful, gentle, caring. Kind, thoughtful, gentle, caring. And we do the exercise. From each group, underline 3 words that are similar in meaning. From each group, underline 3 words that are similar in meaning. First one, afraid, scared, drowsy, frightened, annoyed. Afraid, scared, drowsy, frightened, annoyed. Here afraid, scared and frightened have similar meaning. Okay, or nearly the same meaning. Second one, reside, repeat, live, return, dwell. Reside, live, dwell. Reside, 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 live, live, dwell, dwell. These 3 have the same, nearly the same meaning. Third one, brave, timid, courageous, strong, heroic. Brave, timid, courageous have the same meaning. brave, brave, timid, timid, courageous, courageous have the similar meaning. Fourth one, pleasant, absurd, enjoyable, lovely, sleepy. Pleasant, enjoyable, sleepy has nearly the same meaning. pleasant, pleasant, enjoyable, enjoyable, lovely, lovely has nearly the same meaning. Fifth one, closed, effort, shut, grab, locked, unfastened. Closed, shut, locked has nearly the same meaning. closed, closed, shut, locked, locked has nearly the same meaning. First one, afraid, scared, frightened. Second one, reside, live, dwell. Third one, brave, timid, courageous. Fourth one, pleasant, enjoyable, lovely. Fifth one, closed, shut, locked. Children, watch this three times. Watch this for 3 times to learn synonyms of the lesson, The House with the Golden Windows. And after watching this video, write these words each 3 times in your homework books. Now open page number 4 in your textbooks. All of you open page number 4 in your textbooks. We will do the reading part A. We will do the reading part. Choose the right options to answer these questions. They have given some options. They have given 4 options for each question. we have to choose the correct one. We have to pick one correct answer from these 4 options. Okay. First one. What did Steve usually do in the hour before sunset? What did Steve usually do in the hour before sunset? The answer is he looked at a house on a distant hill. All of you note it down in your books. Okay, note down in your textbooks. The answer for this question is David. He looked at a house on a distant hill. Second one. When did the golden windows usually appear? When did the golden windows usually appear? The answer is Sibit, at sunset. The golden windows usually appear at sunset. All of you open page number. All of you open page number 5 in your textbooks. Okay, we will continue. Third one. What did Mrs. Campbell tell Steve about her family? What did Mrs. Campbell tell Steve about her family? The answer is a bit. They were ordinary farming people. Mrs. Campbell tell Steve about her family that they were ordinary farming people. Fourth one. Which of these statements about Paula is not true? Which of these statements about Paula is not true? Paula, first one, see, Paula has a black calf. Yes, she had a black calf. Second one, she became Steve's friend. Yes, Paula and Steve became friends. And Sibit, she was the same age as Steve. Yes, she is of the same age as Steve. And Debit, she went to the same school as Steve. This is not correct. Steve and Paula does not belong to the same school. So, this one is wrong statement. Debit is wrong. She went to the same school as Steve. Fifth one. Which of these statements about Steve is true? Which of these statements about Steve is true? A bit. He ate nothing at Paula's house. B bit. He realized that his house also had golden windows. C bit. He had a black calf with a white star on its forehead. D bit. He told Paula what he had learned about the golden windows. Yes, here which of these statements about Steve is true is B. Option B. He realized that his house also had golden windows. Children, all of you, after watching this video, write these sentences with answers in your homework book 3 times each. Okay. Thank you, children. Bye.